today we are discussing why is it important to come to Manali a day before for starting for your treks like Bhigu or Hampta Pass. Whenever you go for a trek, you should reach the base camp a day prior. Like your trek should always start for the next day because you need a little time to first get used to the, I will not say altitude, but get used to the environment conditions, the winds, the coldness of the water, the chills at the evening, mornings, the food. Your stomach, your body needs a little time to accept everything that is around you, which has changed certainly over the night. You were at the cities at down altitudes with different setup of environment, but here the environment changes up. So first, noting you need to get accustomed to the environment of the a little high altitudes. Next, you need to a little time to prepare yourself for the trek. See, I agree you come by seeing a lot of YouTube videos or professional speaking and guiding you, but when you reach the site you come to know what actually you might have been lacking or what you have missed out. And then there are always certain ABCs that you try to look forward in the nearby market, or you have missed out while packing up. So those ABCs are very important to collect. They can be toilet papers, woolen gloves, maybe 2 extra pair of socks, maybe you forgot your poncho, any other gear that you want to rent, take care of. That is also one important point why you need to reach one day earlier. Now, one more aspect that I have realized from my experience of trekking is you need to reach the base camp before over the night, on the night before, just to know your friend you are trekking with. You will be trekking with some unknown people whom you have not seen like in your life ever, and they will be coming and then hiking with you, in the wilderness. You also might need to share a tent with any one of them, and so it's always good you have a little evening and one night before the trek, a relaxed one, preparing, sharing your anxieties. Oh, आज क्या होने वाला है, कल कैसे होगा, तुम क्या करके आए हो, क्या तुम दौड़ के आए हो. These things breaks the ice between the groups and helps you to bonding better. It gives a little time to bond before you start your hike together. So for the team perspective, if we say, that is also reliable that you reach Manali or any of your so-called trek base camps a day before. We, keeping in mind of all these aspects, have incurred in our itinerary that Manali stay for trekkers 1 night prior the trek is must. And we always will want you to come and stay and enjoy Manali 1 night before. Thank you.